Okay, welcome back everybody. This is day 2 of the garage build. We are getting rid of the concrete slab, throwing it in a dump truck. Now we're going to pull some measurements, trying to establish where our building is going to go. Goal is to have the building start somewhere in this corner. We'll get rid of all this here because this is a lot of field dirt, and I want to get down to that hill to where there's good dirt. Okay, here we established our first corner just parallel to the asphalt driveway. We're pulling a measurement 36 foot back. That's going to be the back of our building. And then right here, we are going to pull a diagonal from the front right all the way to the back corner to get us as square as possible for our digging. And then what we're going to do is pull 30 foot from that back left corner all the way over to the back right corner. And then come from the front here and pull a diagonal all the way back to get us as close to square as possible. Then what we're going to do is pull a string all the way around our perimeter and take our marking paint at 6 inches off of our line and then paint all the way around, and that'll be for the tooth of our bucket.
Yes, so with it.
All right, we got our lines marked out. I'm going to turn you around and we're going to take a look. Okay, we have our pin at this corner. I'm going 30 foot that way. And then we pulled a string all the way around. We got a pin in that corner over here. Pin. I pulled 6 inches. And then we marked the line. That's where we're going to put our edge of our bucket. Doing 2 foot footers, 2 foot wide footers. I gotta get 3 feet deep, 12 inches of concrete. We're setting up our transit, our laser level here, and we're gonna get a number over here too. All right, let's get digging. Cut up some rebar. I'm going to cut it up at 18 inches. I want 12 inches of a 12 inches thick for my footer, for my pins, and that'll give me 6 inches to get in the ground so they don't move. That was the 10 foot sticks that I cut down. I got some 20 footers to cut down. I think I'm going to set up the big chop saw. footer dug here. I'm going to turn you around and show you what's going on real quick. There's our footer 36 inches down. We have a step, and then 2 steps down to that corner. Come down into here. I got another 8-inch step right here. I got another one right here. And we got, this is all even to here. Then it steps down here. Go here. And this is all the same level up to that corner up there. Well, that is it for today. We did get our footers dug. We do got some steps and stuff to do, but then the track fell off the machine, so we got to get that fixed in the morning. But tomorrow, the plan is to put rebar down, chairs, put the blocking in for our step downs. And then really our goal is to have our footer poured on day 4. That's what we're going to be trying to do. But in the meantime, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.